Life is full of challenges. Sometimes we lose ourselves along the way. But no matter how broken you feel, you can rebuild your life. It all begins with small, consistent changes. Today, I'll share 7 habits that can transform your mindset and help you step into a stronger, brighter version of yourself. Habit number 1, practice gratitude. Each morning, take a moment to name 3 things you are grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's already beautiful in your life. This simple habit rewires your brain for positivity and creates space for new beginnings. Habit number 2, build a morning routine. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Meditate for 5 minutes, stretch your body, drink a glass of water, and set a clear intention for the day ahead. A peaceful morning creates a resilient mind. Habit number 3, limit negative input. Protect your energy. What you consume mentally shapes your emotions. Limit negative news, avoid toxic conversations, and fill your mind with books, music, and voices that lift you higher. Habit number 4, practice daily self-reflection. Take 5 minutes each night to reflect. Ask yourself, what did I learn today? What am I proud of? Self-reflection builds self-awareness, which is the foundation for personal growth and emotional healing. Habit number 5, move your body. Physical movement isn't just for your fitness, it's for your mind too. Walk, dance, stretch, or do any activity you enjoy. Movement releases stored stress, clears the mind, and naturally boosts your mood. Habit number 6, forgive yourself. Healing begins when you release guilt and shame. Remind yourself daily, I am human, I am learning, I am growing. Self-forgiveness opens the door to transformation and inner peace. Habit number 7, stay consistent. Change doesn't happen overnight. Consistency builds trust with yourself. Even on hard days, show up for yourself. One small step every day creates massive change over time. You have the power to rebuild your life. You are not your past. You are the choices you make today. Start small. Stay patient. Be kind to yourself. Your new life begins now. Remember, you are stronger than you think, and your best days are still ahead. This is Seraphora, a space for healing, growth, and transformation.